Hello, fellow Thunderbirds. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a resource for exploring Basecamp, which is the online version here of Pathways. What you'll do is, first of all, you'll log in to Toastmasters.org. And click on Pathways. Now, assuming you have taken the assessment and chosen your path, you will go to Basecamp. Your screen is going to look a little different from mine because I'm a Basecamp manager. Yours will just say login as a member. So log in. And then you will wind up with some photos up here. And these are the boxes that will be of interest to you here. What we're going to do today is we are going to click on Navigating Basecamp. And here you can see that they have divided into 6 sections. So for example, work in my project. I'm going to click on that. And this will give you an overview, how to access all this. So this is really going to be helpful for you if you have questions about pathways and how to navigate this Basecamp. They have a lot of different things. So let's go ahead and click all these boxes. Now, some of these you may or may not be that interested in at the beginning. I think probably work in my projects will be of most interest. But you can see there's lots to choose from here. Then if I scroll down, feedback and recognition. Completing a level will happen after you've done the approximately 5 projects in a level. So that will be in a little while yet. And the Pathways Mentor Program, this you can get a sneak preview of what this is going to be like, but we won't be working on that just yet. And then some frequently asked questions. So I think this section about exploring Basecamp and getting to know Basecamp will really help to answer a lot of questions you might have. And that's all for now.